Hello, and welcome to my channel, the Affiliate Marketing Express. Thank you for choosing to watch this very informative video. For today's video, my topic will center on the world of affiliate marketing and guide beginners on the path to success. In particular, I will discuss the crucial aspect of choosing the right products. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with knowledge and insights that will empower you to make informed decisions as you embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Affiliate marketing has become an integral part of the digital landscape, offering individuals the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and earning a commission on successful sales. It is a win-win scenario where companies benefit from increased exposure and sales, while affiliates earn money without the need to create their own products. However, the key to success in affiliate marketing lies in choosing the right products to promote. It is not just about finding popular or high-priced items. Instead, it requires a comprehensive understanding of market trends, consumer demand, and product quality. Let us delve deeper into this topic and explore the factors that should guide your decision-making process. Firstly, research is paramount. Before diving into affiliate marketing, it is crucial to conduct thorough market research to identify products that have a high demand. Look for products that solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target audience. Tools such as Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media analytics can provide invaluable insights into consumer behavior and popular trends. Next, consider the relevance and alignment of the product with your niche or target audience. Choosing a product that resonates with your niche ensures better engagement and higher conversion rates. For instance, if you run a fitness blog, promoting fitness equipment or nutritional supplements would be more relevant than promoting home decor items. Your audience expects value and expertise from you, so aligning the products with their interests is crucial. Another crucial aspect is the quality and reputation of the product and the company behind it. As an affiliate, your reputation is at stake when you endorse a product. Research the company's track record, customer reviews, and product quality to ensure that you are associating yourself with a reputable brand. Remember, building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success. Furthermore, assessing the commission structure is vital. While it may be tempting to promote products with high commission rates, it is important to strike a balance between commission and product value. High-ticket items might offer large commissions, but if they are not aligned with your audience's needs or if the product's quality is questionable, it can erode your credibility. Look for products that offer fair commissions while providing genuine value to your audience. In addition to the commission structure, it is essential to evaluate the affiliate program itself. A well-designed program will provide you with the necessary tools and resources to succeed. Look for programs that offer marketing materials, tracking systems, and reliable support. A well-established affiliate program will also have a clear and fair payment structure, ensuring that you receive your commissions on time. Now, let us dive into some concrete examples and facts to illustrate the importance of choosing the right products in affiliate marketing. Case Study 1. Fitness Niche. Suppose you are an affiliate in the fitness niche, promoting exercise equipment and related products. You have done your research and identified two potential products: a popular brand of dumbbells and a lesser-known brand of resistance bands. While the commission rate for the dumbbells is higher, your analysis reveals that the resistance bands are gaining significant traction in the market due to their versatility, affordability, and convenience. By choosing to promote the resistance bands, you align yourself with a trending product that caters to your audience's needs, leading to higher conversions and ultimately more revenue. Case Study 2. Tech Niche. Imagine you are an affiliate in the tech niche, and you have the opportunity to promote two products: a well-known brand of smartphones and a relatively new brand of smart home devices. While the smartphones offer higher commissions, your research indicates that the market is highly saturated, and the target audience is already well informed about the product. On the other hand, the smart home devices are gaining popularity, especially among the millennial demographic, due to their energy-saving features and integration with virtual assistants. By choosing to promote the smart home devices, you tap into a growing market with less competition, increasing your chances of success. These case studies demonstrate the significance of thorough research and understanding the market dynamics when selecting products to promote. By staying ahead of trends and catering to your audience's needs, you position yourself for success in the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing. In conclusion, affiliate marketing holds tremendous potential for beginners looking to earn passive income online. However, success in this field hinges on the ability to choose the right products to promote. Thorough research, relevance to your niche, product quality, commission structure, and the affiliate program itself should guide your decision-making process. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. As you embark on your journey, stay true to your audience, build trust, and always strive to provide value. By doing so, you will create a solid foundation for a prosperous affiliate marketing career. Thank you for watching my video, and I wish you all the best in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Remember, success belongs to those who take action. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.